Hello, welcome back to Mr. Weed and Maths. We are carrying on with our Surds topic. Here we go, expanding one bracket. So this question is basically asking to multiply everything within this bracket by root 5. Root 5 is just some decimal. It is 2 point something. Okay, so I want 2 point something times by everything in here. But we're going to keep it in terms of surds, all right? So what you've got to think is I want to multiply the 2 by root 5 and the root 3 by root 5. So your knowledge of multiplication of surds is really important here. Now, when I have a normal integer multiplied by a surd, well, the integer just sits at the front because it's saying I want 2 lots of that, which is just 2 root 5. But then you've got to use your knowledge of root 5 times by root 3 would give me root 15. Okay? Now, when it's surd times a surd, you combine it up, all right? There's no square numbers in 15, so we're done, okay? We can't do anything with that. We are finished. You've expanded it. On to the next one. Now, sometimes you will get an integer at the front. So I've got 3 lots of 9, take away 2 root 3. Okay, on this particular question, we want 3 multiplied by both the things here. So 3 times 9 is 27. And then we know it's going to be a takeaway because it's positive times a negative, which is a negative. And we've got 3 times by just the 2. This is an integer. This is an integer. So they're the only things that are affected. All right, which gives me 6. And then I've got my root 3 attached to it. Okay, you were on 2 of something. You've multiplied it by 3. So you were on 6 of something on the end. And that question's all done. Again, we can't simplify root 3, so we're finished. Let's look at an example where we have to do some simplifying afterwards. Okay, so this example is 2 root 5 multiplied by root 30 plus a regular 3. Okay, so again, we've got to multiply this and this. Now on this occasion, said this a lot of times there, you do root 5 multiplied by root 30. So I'm just going to write this out. Root 5 multiplied by root 30, like this. I'm doing the method where I'm going to break down the surd, and we'll come back to this in a bit. Then I've got my plus, which is kind of a barrier between 2 things that are being added together within surds. And I've got 2 multiplied by 3, which gives me 6 root 5. Okay, once we get to here, we need to sort out this because this can be simplified. There is a root 5 that goes into root 30. So this is going to become, these 2 things are the same. And then we break 30 down into root 5 multiplied by root 6. Again, I've got my plus as a barrier, stopping the 6 root 5 from entering this side here. Okay, we don't want that yet. Then, root 5 multiplied by root 5 is a normal 5. And this is looking nice now. So we are going to have 10 root 6, because 2 times 5 is 10. And then we've got 6 root 5 over here. If you've watched my adding surds video, you will know we cannot add these because they are not the same surd. And I can't simplify them to be a matching surd. So that's our answer. That's it. Okay. Hope you enjoyed. Get practicing now. Try and find some questions, some single bracket, one bracket, expanding surd questions. Give it a go. All the best. Bye.